If you're looking for a simple, all-in-one solar power solution for camping or emergencies, the ZeroKor portable solar power station is definitely worth checking out. All-in-one power bundle. This kit includes a 100W portable generator, a 60W solar panel, and a carrying bag perfect for camping, home backup, or van life. Multiple output ports. It comes with a C outlets, USB-A, USB-C, a quick charge port, and a 12 volts car socket, basically everything you need to charge phones, tablets, cameras, and small appliances. Built-in LED flashlight. Super handy at night with 3 modes: normal light, reading mode, and SOS mode for emergencies. 60W solar panel included. The foldable solar panel is compact but powerful, and it even has extra USB and DC ports so you can charge small devices directly. Safe and quiet operation. With built-in BMS protection and no gas needed, it runs quietly and safely, great for indoor use or tents. Compact carrying bag. The included bag fits the station perfectly and can also be used for other gear, very travel-friendly. For anyone who wants dependable solar power on the go, the ZeroKor power station is a solid pick. Lightweight, versatile, and ready for adventure.